everyone, and welcome to our first session on chatbots. So you might be wondering who I am. My name is James, and I run a small digital agency here in the UK, working with non-profits around the world to help them with their websites and applications of digital technology, such as how to use AI. I'm often in a position where I'm having to talk about technical issues to non-technical clients, and part of what I do is try to demystify big technical subjects and talk about them in smaller, more digestible ways. So over the course of this academy, I'll be talking you through areas around chatbots, right from how does ChatGPT work through to how you can actually use it in your day-to-day life. We'll explore the world of chatbots, what they are, and how they're transforming our interactions with technology, and how we can use them in all sorts of settings, whether that's creating content such as a game or a story or poem, or whether it's planning a holiday or a budget or a meeting, or whether it's helping us understand something complicated like a contract. So let's get started with understanding what chatbots and AI really are. Put simply, a chatbot is a software application designed to mimic human conversation. So whether you're talking to an automated customer service agent on a website, or whether you're getting the latest weather update from Siri, or asking Alexa to play the latest Taylor Swift song, you're engaging with a chatbot. The concept of chatbots goes all the way back to the 1960s with the creation of Eliza, one of the earliest computer programs designed to mimic human conversation. This was developed by a computer scientist called Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT, and Eliza used simple pattern matching techniques to simulate a dialogue, most famously pretending to be a therapist. Despite its basic design, Eliza surprised many people by engaging users in conversation that felt almost real at the time. And this early experiment opened the door to the development of more sophisticated chatbots, paving the way for advanced AI systems we interact with today, like ChatGPT. Over the decades, advancements in natural language processing and AI have dramatically improved chatbot capabilities, transitioning from simple scripts to sophisticated AI-powered interactions. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines designed to simulate human intelligence processes. They're capable of learning from vast amounts of data to perform tasks like language understanding, problem solving, and even creative thinking. And this intelligence is the backbone of the new generation of chatbots, helping them understand and respond to user inputs with remarkable accuracy. So there are primarily two types of chatbots. We've got rule-based chatbots and AI-powered chatbots. Rule-based ones operate on predefined scripts, so they work wonderfully for structured tasks like troubleshooting guides or scripted customer support. But they tend to be quite inflexible, and they run into problems if the result that the user wants has not been defined in their script. You might have experienced these chatbots as pop-ups on websites where they give you a list of options and you think, no, it's not any of those, I need something different. So AI chatbots understand complex language inputs. They adapt it at different contexts and offer a more conversational experience. AI chatbots can be text-based like ChatGPT, or they can be voice-based like Siri or Alexa. And in these sessions, we're going to look more closely at text-based AI chatbots, as they're far more powerful, dynamic, and give a lot more flexibility. We're going to focus primarily on ChatGPT just to keep things more simple, but there are many other AI chatbots such as Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and many more. Some of these will be listed on the gcf.community website under Events, Max 7 AI Academy, and then Tools. So what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT was developed by a company called OpenAI, and it's an AI-powered conversational agent. You can think of ChatGPT as a really smart helper that can understand and answer questions just like a human would. Here's a simple way to understand how it works. ChatGPT learned from an enormous collection of text, like reading a library with millions of books, countless articles and websites. Imagine trying to read every book in the world. ChatGPT has done that by processing text from across the internet. During its training, it analysed countless sentences learning how words fit together and how language works, as if it had read the entire contents of the internet over and over again. It uses a special type of computer model that helps it understand and create text like a human would. And then by predicting the next word in a sentence, ChatGPT gradually improved its understanding and became better at responding in conversations. This process, repeated many times, is how ChatGPT gained its ability to chat about a wide range of topics. Through a technique called unsupervised learning, it learned all these patterns, terminology, context, and the nuance of language by predicting the next word in a sentence. And the model was then fine-tuned through something called supervised learning and reinforced with human feedback to enhance its performance. This helps to make sure that it responds accurately and appropriately in a huge range of interactions. So even though it isn't a human, ChatGPT has learned how people talk and write. It can understand sentences and figure out what you're asking or talking about. When you ask a question, ChatGPT thinks really fast. It remembers all the things it has learned, then tries to give an answer that makes sense. It's like coming up with a good answer based on everything it knows. And ChatGPT keeps getting updates to learn more and become even better at answering questions. And it's important to remember that ChatGPT doesn't have feelings. It doesn't know things like good or bad. It's just really good at finding and giving information. So ChatGPT is like a computer program that can have conversations with you, thanks to all the information it has learned. It tries to be as helpful as possible by using this knowledge to answer your questions. And in the next video, we'll go over how you can start using ChatGPT. We'll look at how to create an account on OpenAI and how to start using the interface. So I'll see you then.